Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Pepe. All right, your daily update. And in this video, we can actually be a little bit bullish again on Pepe. I think purely technically, we're not bullish yet. All right, but what we are seeing is that we got some sort of a reclaim. So if you look at this level right here, which we broke through last time around at 14,200, which you can also see historically is a bit of a key level. Broke down below that right here, actually reclaimed that yesterday afternoon. So that's a bullish reclaim. That's purely technically, that's relatively bullish. But then apart from that, what's also, I think it's quite interesting. You cannot really see it due to the big spike of Beam. But Pepe down here, and I'm not sure if you can see that, but it's actually out of most altcoins. Most altcoins are still looking at Bitcoin to kind of see like what they're doing, right? Most altcoins are very correlated to Bitcoin. And Pepe to a certain extent is as well. But Pepe this morning actually was one of the strongest performers out of the coins with the most volume, or at least the coins that I watch most. So that's good. And then apart from that, I haven't looked at this, but I assume that the momentum for Pepe has also gone up. But that's actually lagging behind quite a bit. Here you can see that there's a bit of a divergence here. Excuse me. But a bit of a divergence here between the price and the open interest. So what that means is, at least that should mean that we're seeing either some shorts being closed. There are some, look, we're gaining some momentum right here, but it's not much. So what that means usually is that some spot is being bought, which is obviously positive, or at least I see spot buys and I see spot traders buying in as something positive, as usually they're more long-term holders, and they're also less eager to sell. Now, is Pepe all of a sudden bullish then? No, because we are still lacking momentum. Usually when Pepe turns bullish, the momentum, so the open interest right here, is more bullish than this. And right now it's still relatively flat. So that's a minus, or at least that's one reason to assume that Pepe is not bullish yet. And I still think we need a bullish breakout. We got a bullish reclaim right here. So very short term technically, that's bullish. But there still is such a massive resistance level right here around 15,000. Which you can also very clearly see on the chart. There's just a key level there. You have the 100 EMA there. 15,000 is a psychological resistance level, so it counts for that as well. So if we can break out above that, then we can actually turn bullish, and then we can actually rally back up to 15,600 and potentially back up to the top right here at 17,000. So that is a possibility. But for now, I have to be neutral, all right? I have to be neutral on the price because we got a lot of bearish confirmations yesterday. There's no momentum yet. There's a bullish confirmation as well. So that's why, and some spot buying. So that's why I'm neutral and not bearish. But I think we have to wait for a breakout. All right, so right now, Pepe is stuck right here between 14,200 and let's say 15,200 to have a bit of a margin to the upside. Wait for one of those two levels to break. I would say it's a little bit more likely that we actually get a bullish breakout here, so that we can actually rally back up to 16,500. I think that's a bit more likely. But if the breakout never happens, this will never happen as well. All right, so wait for the breakout. Be prepared for both scenarios, frankly, because if Bitcoin starts to fall today, which is also a possibility, we have some big news for Bitcoin, then Pepe will get a bearish breakout without thinking twice. All right. So know that's what you need to know in general about Pepe for today. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.